Harbor boy, slamming like four doors, nuts big as blue balls, and like U-Hauls I'm packing. Shooting like two guards, booing like you hard, end up near main yard. Just jumped up off the porch, I'm on 7 fresh off the big yard. Well, motherfucker, either you been pussy or been hard. Shank shit, piss, microwave, no guards. Either you know Satan or no God. I'm so for a reason, this is Bogart season. So no jumping ships, label that death treason. And acting like you mad at the dude, as if you got an attitude. The chopper got an attitude, don't make me tease it. And real ticklish, so don't make me squeeze them and get that motherfucker to acting up. I'm acting up on all different type of hoes. Skinny, fine, pretty, ugly type of hoes. So every bitch got something different to offer, though I ain't about to offer unless I'm about to offer. Bust open, gold magnum type offering, while offering men will go and eat that pussy. I'm a bam bam Flintstone, beat that pussy. Like fuck that pussy, and if I can't fuck that pussy, it's fuck that pussy. If it ain't fuck that pussy, I love that pussy, or it just ain't pussy. You just ain't dushing, old pussy ass nigga. Meanest bitch, meaner than. And no, you ain't seen a cleaner bitch, cleaner than. Oh, Ike and Tina ass teeny man. Oh, you ain't Tina, nigga? You Trina then. I see you looking, nigga, staring me down behind my back, giving all of them frowns, ass nigga. What I do wrong and what you do right, all in our wrongs equal the same, nigga? Oh, good ass fake, fake ass real. Tripping out on life, I can't deal. Certain fake ass shit I can't feel. From a child or even man, I can't steal. Like a dog licking my wounds that ain't healed. Saw a picture of Al and Will, I cried still. But I'm a man though, and human at that, just rounding off facts, applying max so it all add in this life of mine. Harbor boy Ja, harbor boy, nigga. Street beast, NT, the breed, dreadlock gang. Somewhat in your face. You hear me?